But it's stated on the bottle as jerk sauce. Pardon me, jerk marinade, that is. Just let this car pass. Yes, so here I was looking at this jerk marinade and it didn't have Scotch bonnet or pimento, but it was called jerk. But then people here might think that is jerk. So when it's that widespread, it's as if my impression is that jerk is, it's as if it's gone, it's out of control in terms of what constitutes this dish. I mean the core ingredients. And as a Jamaican, I can feel angry about the situation. But then I realized after years of developing this jerk concept that I was working on and see about making jerk marinades and so for different seasons, then I realized actually I stumbled upon something different. I wanted to use the jerk system to do so, especially to promote the health of to promote healthy eating in terms of fruit and vegetable consumption. Then I realized might as well I just start my own system. You know, it was challenging, you know, thinking about having to abandon the jerk project. But what I ended up with was Oy'Nissh in 2019, you know, in September, October, when I legally changed my name by deed poll and send my old passport to Jamaica to get the new one. And the name I used was Oy'Nissh Grandiece for my former name, Clive Bernard Birch. Then suddenly I realized that this new system, food system for the international market would be called Oy'Nissh, and thus Oy'Nissh, which means it being trademarked here in the UK, but also because of the linguistic part that developed, it means that all the copyright is an international system and protected. And when I start to write it officially, you get to see why it's copyrighted and protected under one system, which means that it's now a lot more challenging for people to just go and do what they want, because now it becomes an educational system that people actually need license to even teach it, you know, etc. because of the rule of the trademark, etc. So there's a lot more involved which I can't say on this small short vlog, but here I am during winter now, and I'm about to start doing some winter menu recipes, hopefully to get some new clients or some of the old clients to buy some of these new winter products, and start with the language now, because that's one of the good things in terms of jerk and Oy'Nissh. One of the major difference between jerk and Oy'Nissh is Oy'Nissh food, or everything Oy'Nissh, is governed by the language that's also called Oy'Nissh, or to be specific, Jamaican Oy'Nissh language, which means that in the future, globally, it's impossible to separate Oy'Nissh food from the language. And that's something that's copyrighted because of how it's constructed. I'll only give an hint of what the language is like in the past, but when I start to actually write it, I'm hoping that by February I start to show you what the official language looks like. I did a bit here and there on YouTube for people to have an idea of what it looks like, some of the word, and I even created what's known as an Oy'Nissh dictionary. It's the official Oy'Nissh dictionary with the Latin